Till PMBoK 5th edition, project managers were regarded as custodian of all the information in a project, and full responsibility was given to the project managers, and they were regarded as sole responsible. The idea was to reduce the communication channels and keep just one channel to receive and give information and feedback regarding a project. As times changed and new edition of PMBoKs were introduced, it was increasingly felt that the role of project manager needed to be revised, and that it was unfair that project managers were singled out to answer questions regarding project progress, like whether effective measures have been adopted to increase efficacy and efficiency to obtain required outcomes of a project, whether an effective system was in place that could lead to obtaining the required deliverables, and so on. Project managers are now regarded as custodian on information, and their relationship to their project is at a level of a steward now. The project manager plays a critical role in the leadership of the project team in order to achieve the project's objectives. This role is clearly visible throughout the project. Many project managers become involved in a project from its initiation to closing. However, in some organizations, a project manager may be involved in evaluation and analysis activities prior to project initiation. These activities may include consulting with executive and business unit leaders on ideas for advancing strategic objectives, improving organizational performance, or meeting customer needs. In some organizational setting, the project manager may also be called upon to manage or assist in business analysis, business case development, and aspects of portfolio management for a project. A project manager may also be involved in follow-on activities related to realizing business benefits from the project. The role of a project manager may vary from organization to organization. Ultimately, the project management role is tailored to fit the organization in the same way that the project management processes are tailored to fit the project. Project manager's first objective is to achieve the project goals. Project, budget, and schedules are examples of these goals. By doing so, he adds value to the organization. This is the purpose of the existence of a project manager. PMBoK 6 has a complete chapter on project manager to give proper acknowledgement to the importance of the project manager. We will follow the same sequence so you have a clear perception of a project manager's role and importance in a project. See you in the next lecture.